Did you know the average shopper leaves over $250 a year on the floor when they go grocery shopping? So today I'm going to show you how to pick that money back up and put it back in your pocket. So the first thing is there's these apps, and if you scan your receipts, they pay you. And Ibotta is actually the #1 app that gives you the most money back for your receipts. Okay. So you might be wondering, well, why would a company pay you for your receipts? Well, the reason is like marketing data or something like that. They're paying for the marketing thing. But the #1 tip, and I just learned about this myself, and I was like, wow, I can't believe I didn't know about this, is you want to use one receipt when you go grocery shopping. It can also be other things as well, like any gas and stuff, is you can use it on multiple platforms, okay? See all these platforms right here? These are the ones I've been using. I just added 2 of them, but they found about these ones too. And they all give you rewards, cash, gift cards, stuff like that. And it adds up. It really does. But here's the trick. The thing is, each receipt, you have to use it within a certain period of time. Some places it's 14 days. Some places even quicker, like 7 days. You have to use it. Otherwise, you can't. So that's a big thing. Now, the thing is, they could be other people's receipts as well, but if it looks kind of suspicious, it could get flagged, like 5 receipts from different states in one day or something like that. And it's 1 receipt per platform, okay? So if a friend already scanned it, it's burned in their system. You can't use it again, if that makes sense. Hope it does. Okay, and cool. Another thing too is all these links here. They actually give you bonus points and coins if you use them as well. I found them. All right, and it adds up. I even put a little calculator here too. So you're like per household, like right. I'll just say household of 2, and these are just 6 apps. Look, $936 a year. That's a lot of money. I mean, at the time of making this, gas prices are insane, so that helps. All right. So when I first learned about Ibotta, I didn't know about this trick. And Ibotta is a little different. It gives you a lot of money, but you actually have to work a little bit for it. With some of these platforms, all you do is you scan the receipt, it takes 2 seconds, you're done. But Ibotta, what you do is, ideally it's good to add items before you go grocery shopping. That's one way. I usually do it afterwards. And what I do is, you do your grocery shopping, you buy whatever you want to buy, you come home, and you get the items, right? And then what you do is you take your phone out, and on the app, the Ibotta app, there's like a search bar, and there's a barcode. I wonder if I took a picture of it. Yeah, right here. See how it's like a little barcode right there? If you hit that button, then you could scan each item you purchase, and it will tell you if there's cash back. And it's kind of cool when you find it, because it's like finding an Easter egg. It's like, ooh, wow, I just found 75 cents, or I just found $1 or whatever. Each one's different. And that's much easier than manually typing it in. Okay, so that's the first thing you do, is you scan every single item. That's what I do, and it finds money. That's the first one. All right, the next one is any brand hack. This is also another amazing thing, where sometimes, cash back, you can go to the search bar and you type in any. It'll give you a bunch of options like any bread or any milk or any whatever. And so when you purchase something, any bread, doesn't matter what brand it is, you can get cash back. So that's really cool. And also sometimes Ibotta will hide those features, so it doesn't hurt in the categories of like what's hot, or go to the category any item if it has that. So you get to kind of hunt for that sometimes, I noticed. Okay, so that's the next one. The third tip is sometimes Ibotta will give you money for any receipt. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a receipt for, I don't know, getting gas. And it could be 10 cents, 25 cents, something like that. And so they're not always in the any section as well. So, all right. Sometimes they're in the bonus or daily goals section as well. Okay. All right. Another really cool thing is they actually have offers where they give you 100% cash back on items. Okay, and this is how I found that. If you go to the main menu and you type all the way to the very bottom, there's this little logo. It says, "Did someone say free?" And if you click that, it says "free after offer." This is one of them, right? So you buy that, and then they give you the money that you purchased. So you basically get the item for free, and sometimes they have that. And sometimes they have one where you buy one, you get one free, stuff like that. So those are really pretty cool. The next one is you can link your loyalty accounts depending on where you go to the stores, and that means you don't have to scan receipts. It automatically finds it. So you could do that. It makes it much easier if you want to. All right. The next one is not only can you stack reward apps, but you can stack rewards on certain stores like Walmart rewards. So you get the store discount and then you get the Ibotta cash. So you get both. So that can be kind of cool. And I mentioned earlier there's something called BOGO offers. So if you purchase two of the same item, you'll get the cash back equal to the value of one. So it's like buy one, get one free. And that's in the same place as I found did someone say free? And there will be offers saying BOGO, 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 free after offer, and they'll have different offers mixed in there. Okay. Another thing too is you can refer people. So to me, Ibotta is a really cool thing. So I had no issues referring people, but if you refer someone, you get $10 when they upload a receipt, and they will get $5, so everybody wins. It's a really, really cool thing, okay? And another really cool trick, too, is with gift cards. So when you're about to buy groceries using the app, instead of using cash, you can get a gift card using the app, and they give you like a discount for the gift card, and then you can use the gift card to get more discounts, if that makes sense. So basically, if you get a gift card on the app, you save money when you're about to buy groceries. Hope that makes sense. And they also have other stores as well, like hardware stores or whatever. They have tons of gift cards, and they give you like 15% off. So if it's like a $10 gift card, you pay less for the amount in the store. That makes sense. Okay. Now this is another little trick too, and I actually learned this the hard way because I actually I used Ibotta a long time ago that I just kind of forgot about. I just didn't do it right. And if your account is inactive for like 6 months, they can actually charge you a small maintenance fee. Yeah, it's true, and that happened to me. Because I remember looking at there and it said like there's a maintenance fee and there was like an amount, and they took money out of my account. So one trick is like once a month, you could, if you don't want to use it, just scan any item or receipt to keep it active, or get your money out there as quickly as possible. I think once you hit $5, I think you could cash out. And another really cool thing too is you can cash out through PayPal and just get cash. Or if you have a balance there, you can get a gift card, and the gift cards is they'll give you a discount if you use a gift card rather than cash. So sometimes the gift cards you get more bang for your buck. If that makes sense. The next one is Ibotta is about getting discounts on an item you're already buying. So it's not a good idea, how should I say this, to buy things you don't really want just to get the discount. So you have to be careful of doing that, right? It's kind of cool. Look at this girl. She, woo, the egg pops right in her basket. Dude. So that's why I kind of use it after grocery shopping. So it's a win regardless. If I don't find anything, it's like I was going to buy it regardless, right? So anyways, it's kind of fun. It's kind of like finding like extra cash with this thing. Now another thing too is Ibotta, they have like Midweek Magic and Weekend Warrior, and they have like different events where they give you more savings. These are the main events, those two. And they kind of give you a bonus for redeeming so many items. It could be like 3 or 5. So if you have a lot of items to buy, you could wait till those events to do it so that you get more of a discount if you want. I hope that makes sense. Another trick is any item also counts towards those bonuses as well to kind of reach that redemption number, so you get the bonus. It's kind of like buying in bulk, like a Costco thing, and you get like extra savings, for the week, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's one way. Is Ibotta is a wonderful way to put some extra cash in your pocket. That's not the only way. Oh, and before I forget too, if you gotten something from this video, which I'm sure you did, or I hope you did, please consider hitting the little like button or the subscribe button, because that helps me. But there's also many other ways to make some extra cash, because as I'm making this, gas prices are insane, right? Like, whoa, and they keep going up. I'm not sure when they're going to go down. I'm pretty pessimistic. I'm like, I'm not sure they're going down anytime soon. But one way is there's actually some work from home jobs out there. And not what you're thinking, like, oh, those things suck. Those are boring. Well, I did one work from home job, and it was super flexible too. And I really loved it. It was the funnest job I think I've ever done, where I was contacting small business owners and I was trying to get them about a COVID tax credit type of thing for this accounting company. And I had so much fun doing it, and I was doing it while I was watching documentaries. So, I had so much fun doing it. So what I'm trying to say is there are some work from home jobs out there, and there's a whole bunch that you may really enjoy, and that could put some money in your pocket. So it's good to be open-minded to those things. And the bad news is there are bullshit and there are scams out there. But there's this network here, and I linked to it, where they actually will weed through all of them, and they only have the good ones. So they even eliminate the 100% commission ones, which I'm used to doing. But they actually help you get the job. They have a huge list with every option you can think about. The bad news, it's a subscription service, but there's one little hack where you can actually use the service, and you can find some good places, and then you could how should I say it, unsubscribe during the free trial, so you can still use it, and that's kind of like a little hack. But it really helps because, again, finding like a legit work from home job that's really good, pays good, it's like finding gold. It really is. So that's the hard part. That's one way. Another way too is you can declutter your place and make some quick cash. And like a little while ago, I sold a sweater. I put it on eBay, right? And it took like 3 months to move, and I had to keep dropping the price. And I started getting these weird messages too, and shipping was kind of a hassle, kind of a pain. But there's another place, and I linked to this, where they make it super easy. Like you get paid like that, they'll take anything, and they make the shipping super easy as well. And it's for old electronics, but they help the environment with it. They wipe the data, they make the shipping easy, and they actually give you a quote instantly once they look at it, tell you how much it is and stuff. So it's a much easier way to move things if you want to get some cash. One other way is affiliate marketing. I think affiliate marketing is so amazing. You can do it anytime, around your schedule. You can have a lot of fun. Nearly any niche, you can do affiliate marketing. And there's so many different ways you can do it. So you can have a lot of fun. And I have cheat sheets on the system that I like. And anyways, there's a whole bunch of other ways you can make some quick cash in your pocket. I just kind of posted on this post I made. And I'll link to this blog post down below and in the description and the first comment. Another thing too is Swagbucks. If you're not sure what Swagbucks is, it's a platform where you do like very easy things and you get paid. So I have a whole bunch of secrets on Swagbucks, and I think there's like 12 of them in there. I made a video about it. If you want to check it out, I'll put the video up here and I'll put it down below. So anyways, hope this might have been at least a little bit useful to you, and you have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day. Bye.